Question. How do we form questions in present simple? Answer. If a main verb is present, use do or does. Question. What's a main verb? Answer. A main verb is an action verb. Remember that action when it is equals do or does or did. Or so when you do something, that's an action. So we're going to be looking for main verbs. Okay, ready? Take a look at this example. What do we have here? You see me. Okay, how do we make a question? We say, do you see me? Or we can say, why do you see me? We can say, how do you see me? Or we can say, ask actually, what do you see in me? Okay, all of the questions made with this main verb have do in them. Do, and that's a helping verb. It helps us ask questions, form questions, make questions. Take a look at this sentence, this affirmative sentence. Kathy likes you. What's the main verb? Likes. Okay, be careful now. That's a third person singular. Take a look at all of the verbs. All of these helping verbs, that's only one actually, does in all of these questions. For example, does Kathy like you? Why does Kathy like you? Or we can say, since when does Kathy like you? Or we can say, whom does Kathy like? Okay, here is some more examples. Here we go. The car works great. Okay, so the main verb is works. That's a third person singular, and all of the questions are going to need does with the main verb work. And you see in an affirmative, we have an S right here. In questions, the S goes here. See that? We ask, does the car work? We ask, how does the car work? We ask, why does the car work? Or we ask, when does it work? And here's some more examples with this affirmative statement. Things make sense. We can say, do things make sense? We can also ask, why do things make sense? Or how do things make sense? How do things make sense? Or we can ask, when do things make sense? As you can see, since the main verb is make, the helping verb is going to be do, right? Okay, that's how we form questions in present simple when the main verb is present.